If you know your way around cars, you must already know how useful a good OBD2 scanner can be, right? There are many products available to choose OBD2 scanner, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best OBD2 scanner from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Launch CRP129X OBD2 Scanner. The Launch CRP129X is one of the most affordable ways into the world of professional diagnostic equipment. Compared to previous models on this list, it offers several noticeable upsides, with the large 53 touchscreen being one of them. Your hands are all greasy? No worries. The handy keypad makes it easy to use all sorts of real-life environments. In addition, this scan tool can gain access to most vehicle systems and pull both manufacturer-specific and generic DTC codes. It is especially important when working with modern vehicles whose complex infrastructure surpasses the capabilities of the OBD2 coding system. But despite having OE-level capabilities when it comes to system scans and service resets, this device doesn't offer comparable diagnostic features. For instance, it can't activate and deactivate various components, which is necessary when troubleshooting complex automotive systems. Still, with no other noticeable shortcomings, this is a powerful scan tool that gives excellent value for money. What we like about it? Easy and comfortable usage, thanks to a large screen and handy keypad. Gives access to almost all automotive systems. Has the ability to read both manufacturer-specific and generic DTC error codes. Allows service resets and throttle adaptation. What don't we like about it? Lacks the ability to perform special diagnostic tests. Number 2. Launch Creator VII Plus OBD2 Scanner. When looking at basic features, this OBD2 scanner from Launch may appear similar to its auto counterpart in many aspects. They both have a user interface that uses simple buttons and gives access to the same vehicle systems. Moreover, even the retail price is almost identical. Still, there are several key differences, as Launch Creator offers better diagnostic insight and more troubleshooting options. For instance, it allows users to perform specific test procedures and focus on specific data parameters that may reveal potential problems. The only real downside with this scanner, at least when considering entry-level devices, is its unusual shape and extensive width. It also requires users to operate it with both hands, which can be inconvenient in some situations. What we like about it? Advanced testing options that can help detect potential problems. Elaborate DTC explanations. Shows live data streams and also offers a freeze frame option. What don't we like about it? Wide shape requires two-hand operation. Number 3. Launch X431 Bidirectional Diagnostic Scanner. This high-end diagnostic tool is a powerful and capable device with features aiming at the most demanding applications. Following the pattern set by the previous models, it has the widest range of functions among the OBD2 scanners on this list. Superb DTC code scanning and active testing options are just the starting point here, as the Launch X431 has so much more to offer. One of the most important is the learning function, allowing users to adjust control units against new sensors. Other advanced features include EQ coding, key programming, and things like AdBlue reset and transmission adaptation. With a diagnostic tool like this one, experienced mechanics will solve any issue reliably and efficiently. Because of that, even the higher price tag shouldn't be a problem for professionals who will use its upsides to the fullest. What we like about it? Capable of performing any imaginable diagnostic procedure. Offers the widest range of service and maintenance functions. Allows EQ coding and key programming. Superb software and customer support. What don't we like about it? Exploiting all the benefits requires experience and knowledge. Most expensive OBD2 scanner on the list. Number 4. Innova Pro OBD2 Scanner. This OBD2 scanner from Innova offers various features that users might expect from a device within this range. Things like in-depth access to various vehicle systems and an emission readiness test are just some of those usual capabilities. However, its ability to perform several unique and quite helpful tests and calibrations set it apart. For example, it has advanced brake system options that allow users to initiate ABS bleeding and perform electronic handbrake calibrations. Moreover, it can give transmission temperature readings as an additional upside, which makes troubleshooting and fluid changes easier. In the end, it also allows access to the TPMS system and can run battery system diagnosis on hybrid vehicles. What we like about it: gives access to all usual vehicle systems. Can perform ABS pump bleeding and parking brake calibration. Gives access to TPMS transmission temperature and hybrid battery systems. What don't we like about it? LED displays can be too small for some users. Requires batteries when the engine is off. Number 5. AUTL Maxillink OBD2 Scanner. AUTL is a reputable diagnostic equipment manufacturer, and this device is one of its more powerful entry models. Unlike more basic variants that focus on engine and transmission only, Maxillink ML619 offers some additional troubleshooting capabilities. For instance, it can access, read and erase both ABS and SRS system stored error codes. Besides, when working with newer Ford, GM, and Chrysler vehicles, it may even retrieve manufacturer-specific powertrain codes. And as an additional upside, this scanner can also perform voltage tests when dealing with charging system issues. If your scanner doesn't have this function, you'll need a separate battery tester for that. What we like about it: easy to use. Affordable. Comes with a 12 months warranty insurance. What don't we like about it? Explanations of DTC meanings are limited. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.